Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial videos. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I will teach you how to follow up on emails you sent from eWay-CRM desktop. You know what I'm talking about. You send an email and want to make sure to hear back. If you send a quote, you want to make sure it's approved. If you send your colleague a request, you want to make sure it's done. People get hundreds of emails every day, and yours can't be missed. This method will help you stay on top of people's mailboxes. Let's see how this works. I work as an independent consultant and provide quality training. I get a lot of requests via email. I always respond with a quote and wait for confirmation. My customers sometimes don't reply, and if I don't follow up, I lose this business. I like to use both eWay-CRM Desktop and eWay-CRM Online. Since I work with Outlook Classic, eWay-CRM Desktop was my first choice because it smoothly integrates and has this email saving feature I am going to show you. If you click eWay-CRM Settings and tab Emails, this is my setup. Pay special attention to the part Outgoing Emails where I activated saving emails from contacts and companies. We've recorded a separate video for email saving and the link is in this video description. Check it to find out more. I also use eWay-CRM Online, which adds this wonderful preview panel to my inbox. It helps me instantly identify the person who sent me the email. If the preview panel shows me a person, he or she is in my eWay-CRM contacts. If not, I can click this button to create the contact right away. Let's do it. Here we are. Steve is now my contact. When I'm sure the contact already exists in my eWay-CRM database, I can reply to the email. I prepared a couple of templates in my email signatures. Let's use this one and quickly fill in the blank spots. When I send it, eWay-CRM automatically opens this window. This is triggered by the email saving feature I showed you before. Here I only need to select the follow-up date and click Send and Save. eWay-CRM will automatically create a task, link it with the email and the contact, and put it on my to-do list. Let's have a look. Tasks, and here we are. This is my to-do list. I'm using this view which shows me tasks by due dates. I just added a filter to only show my tasks. When it's time to follow up, open the contact to see if there's any response in the email section. There's not, so right-click and choose Reply to send another follow-up email. When you finish your email, click Send and Save to plan another follow-up. And mark the task you just finished as complete. It will disappear from your list. If you have to do more follow-ups, you can repeat this as many times as necessary. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.